Hi friends, so I got another package here, and it's some more fuse beads. So these are from Xgood, and basically what it is, so these arrived in the mail, and thanks to Xgood for sending these out to me. So you have the little fuse boards, peg boards, where you put the little beads on there and you make your design. So these actually come with a little pattern behind it, so it tells you what color beads to put on there, so you get kind of a better idea. So, and I'm sure you can be creative with any colors you want, but it just gives you a little idea of what the dots behind each one to put the pattern on. So you put them on there, you heat them up somehow, I think maybe with an iron or something, I'm not exactly sure, haven't checked out fuse beading, but that's what you can do and make a little ornament or something out of it. So this is a 12-piece set by Xgood. I'm gonna go ahead and show you these real quick. So I thought this was a star, maybe it's some kind of a butterfly though, or something like that. Oh wait, there we go, there's the little antenna and stuff like that. So it could be a butterfly or kind of like maybe a ninja star or something. Okay, here is a seahorse. It's kind of cool, and you can just see how you could change the pattern you want to anything. And I believe I was correct. Yes, that was an elephant. Now you can really see this elephant with the outline, the ear, put a little blanket on it, so that's pretty cool. I could definitely see how this would be a neat little crafting idea, little feature thing, something cool the kids could do. There's a little bear, that's really neat. Alright, so here's a dog right there. I don't have any, they didn't come with any beads to actually do this with, so it just came with the pegboards. So there's the little butterfly there. Alrighty, here is a dolphin, and we are rolling right along here. Here's the cat. Few more to go. There is a fish. We have the rubber ducky, you're the one. And finally, the rabbit of bunny rabbit. Cool. So you can pick these up on Amazon for about 10 bucks for these. For all 12 of them, so not a bad deal. If your kids enjoy crafting, or they know how to use the fuse beads and how to do those pretty cool little templates to make a bunch of little different characters, so you can make ornaments and different things out of them, so pretty neat. I've never done fuse beading before, so I'm not exactly sure how. I've seen like a little video where you put the beads on the little template over the top here, put the little bead on there, and then somehow you warm them up and they fuse together, hence the name fuse beads. So pretty cool little craft idea. I'm sure there's a lot of crafty people out there that would like to do that. So thanks for watching this video. Everyone have a great day. I will leave a link to these in the description below, so if you want to check them out there on Amazon, you can do that. So thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day.